Hi, I'm Andy with Reading Teen, and I'm going to talk to you today.
Reading Tween.
I'm with Reading Teen. He is...
I'm Brandon with Reading Tween.
Right. And he wants to talk to you a little bit today about audiobooks. A lot of boys, especially, and a lot of kids aren't very excited about reading, or maybe they have trouble reading, or they just don't like to read really long books. And we found a great way to read books without actually reading them is to listen to audiobooks. So Brand's going to talk to you about some of the audiobooks that he has liked the most.
I really liked The Lightning Thief.
Upside down.
Percy Jackson, The Lightning Thief. I thought it was pretty good. I really liked the series. And I also really liked Harry Potter.
That's upside down too.
And I'd say it's one of the best books I've ever read.
Yep.
And I really liked this one too.
All the Harry Potter books.
Mm-hmm. This is one of my favorites.
What other audiobooks have you listened to that you like a lot?
The Chronicles of Narnia.
Which one was your favorite Chronicles of Narnia book?
I think it was the Silver Chair.
The Silver Chair?
Yeah.
I don't remember what that one was about.
It was about a guy who is the Prince of Narnia, but he's like lost. So then these people go and try and find him on their way, and they just meet a lot of other people. And
does that one have like Lucy and Peter and all them in it, or is it totally different people?
It's the one right before the last. So it's got one person that you'll see once before that one, and one new person.
And it still has Aslan?
Yes, Aslan is in every single one.
That's good. What else? You listened to Howl's Moving Castle?
Yes, I liked that. It's about this girl named Sophie who is just like, she ends up having to go and work in a hat shop, and then this witch, her name is the Witch of the Waste, and she puts a curse on Sophie, and then Sophie left because, well, never mind.
You don't want to tell the ending. Cool. What else? Any other books that you can think of that you really liked to listen to?
Really
The Red Pyramid.
Oh, I love that one. I really liked all the ones that Rick Riordan made.
Yeah.
And Harry Potter I remember watching the first one, and then I just started to watch the movies, and then I got them on audiobook, and then I just really liked them. And my mom would keep getting them from the library and listening to all of them over and over and over and over in the car.
Harry Potter's pretty cool. So, if you have a reluctant reader, or your child has a hard time reading, try audiobooks. A lot of times you can check them out in the library. They're kind of expensive at the bookstore, but the library is free. And a lot of times at used bookstores. We got some for $2 a piece at a used bookstore. So check those out. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.